pretty sure that is Al Pacino.
So I was trying to
And
figure
that's
out.
Patrick Swayze. But who is that? Hey!
Hi.
Hello.
We're going to a MoonPie festival!
Well, you are.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're throwing MoonPies. So MoonPie was invented in Chattanooga, but
It was in 1917. But this one is in Bell Buckle, Tennessee.
Bell Buckle, about an hour and a half away towards Nashville.
They have music and games and clog dancing and a 5K run, a 10K run.
And a parade. Bell Buckle Fire Department. So we got tents this way, and I see tents back there.
We have to sprinkle on.
We did. We bought the birthday cake MoonPies, which are very good. I think Chris is going to go get them to show you.
And I would like to show you them in the pack so you know what they look like. This is the sprinkles
other way.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Birthday cake.
There's a clown over there.
A couple quick facts. The town that this is in is home to 500 people, but 30,000 people attend each year.
30,000 people, just like Disneyland Paris.
Or the Louvre.
Or the Louvre. Mal's going to sneak a bite.
Well,
Let's me and Mal go.
y'all have fun.
Tried to pull into the gas station for gas, and there is a semi-truck blocking the road completely. It's stuck. We're here. I got a little lost trying to figure out parking. I had to stop and map it, and now we're gonna go walk towards it. We've been passing runners, so we're gonna go check it out, see if we can see some clogging, find some MoonPies. Are you ready?
Hey, Mommy, you keep forgetting to put it on video mode. Why do you keep forgetting?
We're gonna let Mal stretch his legs a little bit at the playground. What I want to know is, why is there a rock blocking that? There's an amphitheater over there, a statue of a superhero kid, and a lobster, a giant mosaic lobster. And it looks like, what'd you find? Looks like there's a trail on this park that goes farther back. All right, let's follow the sound of the loudspeaker, baby. Look at this superhero kid holding a lobster. Is it a lobster or a crawfish?
I don't know. It looks like the one over there.
Yes, it does.
The event started in 1994 by a single person.
He's
Captain
gonna take-
Rodney
Oh,
is the guy who started it.
fun. Fun facts. Not exactly sure what that is. Oh, there's the MoonPie over there.
It's all to celebrate MoonPie and RC Cola, which was the working man's lunch in the 1950s and could be purchased for a nickel.
That's pretty fun. All right, let's go. Let's go see the MoonPies. There are coffee beans in the ornament, and I have to wonder if at one point that train actually...
It's locked.
Yes. Oh, it's right here. Hold on, don't pull on it. Little free library. Mm-hmm. It is. So you can borrow books and bring them back after you read them. How's your grape juice? My chocolate mint coffee is very, very good.
This keeps getting stuck to me.
Yes, you have a great mustache. Bee. Happy 30th. We found the stage. We are sitting on hay. We are sitting on hay bales, and it's itchy. There's the garden again. All right, so you want to want to go right or left? So the hay was a little too uncomfortable. Now we're going to go try to find food. That stop sign over there has googly eyes. Record store. MoonPie. What's in here? MoonPies. MoonPies. MoonPie. Hey. What does it smell like? We walked to the gas station from across the street from the festival. It is so hot. It was an hour-long wait at the restaurant over there, and none of the food trucks had anything Matt would eat. And the gas station has its own like seating area, restaurant in it, but you have to order over at the gas station part. Alan's very tired. I am very tired. He's eating his chicken nuggets. I am going to eat my spicy sandwich. How you doing, tired baby? We're just barely gonna make the parade, and then we're gonna need to go home. He is exhausted. How you doing? Okay. You got a picture with them. They're throwing moon pies. Woo! 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 Go get it real quick. Go get it real quick. Real quick.
Nice job, dude.
Say thank you. Oh, wow. It has eyelashes. Hi. You okay? Hi. Oh, hello, butterfly. Well worth the while when you make a burned and crippled child smile. Oh my goodness, look at the little cars. They're all driving Pontiac Solstices. Woo! 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 Oh my goodness.
Here, let me hold it for you and go get some more.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know how you're going to hold it.
I don't either. Thank you. Their dresses are made of balloons. Their dresses are made of balloons. Oh! What is popping over there? Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! I think that might have been the end, baby. It is so hot. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how humid and hot it is right now.
It's Florida hot.
It's Florida hot, absolutely. Yeah, so the parade finished, and you saw people walking. They were throwing moon pies at the parade, and you saw people walking with stacks of moon pies. We got one, so we were lucky enough to get one. But yeah, it was fun.
And we got a whole box.
Oh yes, and we did buy a box. We bought the mint ones, the mint chocolate ones, because they're the best. And
we even have the sprinkle ones.
we do. We have the sprinkle ones at home. And what was your favorite part, baby?
The parade.
The parade was pretty cool. Yeah, all the Shriner cars. And the girl with the balloon dress, that was pretty cool.
Hey, don't do it.
Oh, and they were throwing candy, so we got lots of candy, including A little beer stein filled with candy. I don't know what it is, but yeah. All right.
Hey, don't let go.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Things are falling.
Things are falling. A bracelet fell. We shoved it all in my purse, including the chicken nuggets we didn't finish were shoved in my purse, and chicken nuggets fell into my purse, and now I need to clean it. Yep. All right. We're going to go home.
No.
Yes, we got to go home.
I really like these.
Oh, that's my favorite candy. All right, tired baby with red cheeks. You ready to go home? Dripping in sweat. Bye.
You just did not turn it on video again.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye.
Hello, welcome to GoPro City. There's Cassandra. Now let's go this way to the door, which is a habit of going to the door. And there's our table. This is the payment of your food. Ta-da! And the bumblebee napkin. That meant goodbye.